Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make green chili jam. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 4 pounds of chili peppers. I'm using poblano peppers because they're larger and easier to peel. A medium yellow onion, 5 cups of sugar, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1½ teaspoons of cumin, a teaspoon of dried mustard, a teaspoon of salt, and 1 package of pectin. We'll start by roasting our peppers in the oven broiler. We'll put them in on high for 8 minutes on the first side and 6 minutes on the second. After broiling the peppers, we'll put them in a bowl and cover them in plastic wrap and let them steam for 15 minutes. This process makes them easier to peel. We'll peel and dice our onion while we're waiting on our peppers to steam. Once our peppers have finished steaming, we'll go ahead and get our onions started by adding our tablespoon of oil and our onions to a 6 to 8 quart pot. We'll then put these on the oven over medium-low heat while we peel our chili peppers. After roasting and steaming, the skin should peel right off. While your goal is to remove as much of the peel as possible, it's okay if some little bits stay attached. If you find a large patch of skin that you're unable to peel, you can attempt to rub it off using a paper towel. It's okay if your peppers tear a bit because we will be dicing these later. Once we've peeled our peppers, we'll cut off the tops and seed them. I'm going to leave a few seeds in mine because the seeds add heat. If you prefer your chili jam not to be as spicy, remove all the seeds. If you'd like it to be spicier, remove less. Once we've peeled and seeded our peppers, we'll finally dice these and add them to our onion. While our onion is cooking, we'll stir it occasionally between peppers. Once we finish peeling all of our peppers and adding them to the onions, we'll increase the heat on the stovetop to medium-high. Then we'll add our tablespoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, cup of apple cider vinegar, teaspoon of dried mustard, teaspoon of salt, and teaspoon and a half of dried cumin. We'll stir the ingredients together and allow the mixture to come to a boil. Once the mixture starts to boil, we'll add our sugar a little at a time and stir to dissolve. After the sugar has dissolved, we'll bring the mixture to a rolling boil that can't be stirred down and add our pectin. We'll stir in the pectin until it's completely dissolved and then allow our mixture to continue boiling for 3 minutes undisturbed. This activates the sugar and pectin and will allow your jam to set. After 3 minutes, remove the jam from the heat and stir constantly for an additional 3 minutes. The jam should offer some resistance, like a light syrup. Once finished stirring, ladle it into jars and allow it to set at room temperature for 24 hours. If you plan to use the jam right away, it will keep in the refrigerator for up to a month. If you want to store your jam in the pantry for longer periods, follow proper canning procedures. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.